Okay, good morning students. Here now we are going to explain a theorem and some problems regarding linearly independence and dependence or a basis. Okay, so first of all come to a theorem. Let a cap plus equal to set alpha 1, alpha 2 and alpha n be a basis set of a finite dimensional vector space capital V of f. So here set alpha 1, alpha 2 and so on alpha n is a basis in a finite dimensional vector space capital V of f. Then for each alpha belongs to capital V, there is a unique set of scalars a1, a2 and so on an belongs to f such that alpha equal to a1 alpha 1 plus a2 alpha 2 plus 1 plus an alpha n. Which means for here cap plus is a basis of V. Here we have cap plus is a base of capital V. So basis means first condition S is Li and second condition L of S equal to capital V, that is S spans capital V. So from second condition L of S equal to V means every vector in alpha in capital V is a linear combination of vectors of capital S. Okay. For example, if we take alpha belongs to V. So here since L of S equal to V, this alpha is also a linear combination of vectors of capital S. Here the vectors of capital S are alpha 1, alpha 2 and so on alpha n. So alpha is a linear combination of these vectors. So let it be alpha equal to, let that linear combination is a1 alpha 1 plus a2 alpha 2 plus so on plus an alpha n. For a1, a2 and so on an belongs to capital S, already as belongs to capital F. Okay. Here what I mentioned in this theorem, what we are going to prove this theorem, if we represent alpha as this type of linear combination, we cannot define same alpha as another linear combination of the same vectors. Another linear combination of same vectors ko manam alpha ani rayalemu. That means for example there exists some b1 alpha 1 plus b2 alpha 2 plus so on plus bn alpha n is also a linear combination of alpha 1 alpha 2 and alpha n. Okay. So we cannot define the same alpha as two different kinds of linear combinations. ఒకే ఆల్ఫాని రెండు డిఫరెంట్ లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్స్ గా రాయలేము, ఇది మనం చెప్పాల్సింది. We cannot write or we cannot define or we cannot mention a vector alpha as different two kinds of or two different types of linear combinations. ఇలా రెండు విధాలుగా ఒకే ఆల్ఫాని రాయలేము, ఇది మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాల్సింది. ఓకే, కమ్ టు ద ప్రూఫ్. So let cap plus equal to set alpha 1, alpha 2 and so on alpha n be a basis set or simply a basis of a finite dimensional vector space of a finite dimensional vector space capital V of f, of a finite dimensional vector space capital V of f. Okay. Now we are going to prove if there exists alpha belongs to V, this alpha has a unique representation of as alpha equal to a1 alpha 1 plus a2 alpha 2 plus 1 plus an alpha n. Okay. So let alpha belongs to capital V. Suppose there exist a1, a2 and so on an belongs to capital F such that here we are having alpha belongs to capital V. Okay. Here alpha belongs to V. Since capital S is a basis, by the second condition we have since L of S equal to capital V, L of S equal to capital V is the second condition of the basis. Here capital S is the basis of V, therefore by the second condition L of S equal to V, and here alpha belongs to V. L of S equal to V means each vector of V is a linear combination of vectors of capital S. V లో ఉన్న ప్రతి వెక్టర్ ని S లో ఉన్న వెక్టర్స్ యొక్క లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ గా రాసుకోవచ్చు. Here alpha కూడా V లో ఉంది కాబట్టి this alpha is also a linear combination of vectors of capital S. So let it be alpha equal to a1 alpha 1 plus a2 alpha 2 plus so on plus an alpha n, where a1, a2 and so on an belongs to capital F. Okay. Now we are going to prove this representation of alpha is unique. Now we prove the representation of alpha, use is unique. This representation is unique. For that, suppose there exists another representation of a linear combination of the same alpha. Okay, assume or suppose alpha equal to b1 alpha 1 plus b2 alpha 2 plus 1 plus bn alpha n, where b1, b2 and so on bn belongs to capital F. Basically, we are at alpha equal to a1 alpha 1 plus a2 alpha 2 plus 1 plus an alpha n. We are going to prove this alpha has the same representation. This is only a representation of alpha. Okay, there exists no any other linear combination of same vectors of alpha. ఇదే ఆల్ఫాని ఈ వెక్టర్స్ ఇంకొక లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్గా రాయలేము, మనం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి. బట్ మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం అంటే ఇన్ కంట్రరీ ఆర్ సపోజ్ ద సేమ్ ఆల్ఫా హ్యాస్ అనదర్ లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది వెక్టర్స్ ఆల్ఫా 1 ఆల్ఫా 2 అండ్ సో ఆన్ ఆల్ఫా n. ఇదే ఆల్ఫాకి ఇంకొక లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ తీసుకున్నాను. ఓకేనా? నౌ ఫ్రమ్ దీస్ టూ left side equal, therefore right side also equal. Therefore we have a1 alpha 1 plus a2 alpha 2 plus 1 plus an alpha n equal to b1 alpha 1 plus b2 alpha 2 plus 1 plus bn alpha n. So that implies, take that linear combination this side, a1 alpha 1 plus a2 alpha 2 plus 1 plus an alpha n minus b1 alpha 1 minus b2 alpha 2 minus and so on minus bn alpha n equal to 0 bar. So that implies, take common alpha 1 alpha 2 and so on alpha n from entire linear combination. ఈ మొత్తం లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ నుంచి ఆల్ఫా 1 ఆల్ఫా 2 అండ్ సో ఆల్ఫా n కామన్ తీయండి. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ టేక్ కామన్ ఆల్ఫా 1, a1 alpha 1 minus b1 alpha 1 containing alpha 1. So if we take alpha 1 as common, a1 minus b1 into alpha 1 plus next for alpha 2 a2 minus b2 into alpha 2, a2 minus b2 into alpha 2 plus 1 plus an minus bn into alpha n equal to 0 bar. So please observe this. It is a linear combination of the vectors alpha 1 alpha 2 and alpha n. This linear combination is 0. Okay, but here the set capital C is a basis. Okay, what is the first condition of basis? Capital C is Li. Since capital C is Li, comma here the linear combination of vectors of capital C is 0, and since S is Li, by the definition of linearly independence, all the scalars in the linear combinations are zeros. Okay, S అనే ఉన్న వెక్టర్స్ యొక్క లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్ ఎంత 0 అయిపోయింది. మరి S లీనియర్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ కాబట్టి ఈ లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్లో ఉన్న స్కేలర్స్ అన్ని జీరోస్ అయిపోవాలి. ఇక్కడ స్కేలర్స్ ఏమిటివి? వాట్ ఆర్ ద స్కేలర్స్ హియర్? a1 minus b1, it is 0. Next scalar a2 minus b2 equal to 0 and so on. Last scalar an minus bn equal to 0. Okay, so that implies a1 minus b1 equal to 0, that implies a1 equal to b1, a2 minus b2 equal to 0, so a2 equal to b2 and so on. Last one, an minus bn equal to 0, so that implies an equal to bn. So we represent different kinds of linear combinations for same alpha. Okay, alpha ki rendu different kinds of linear combinations rasam, but the corresponding elements a1 b1, here a1 b1 are the scalars of alpha 1. Okay, coefficients of alpha 1, these two are equal, a1 b1, and the corresponding elements a2 b2 are same and so on. Corresponding elements a and bn are same. That is, the representation of this alpha is unique. Therefore the representation of alpha equal to a1 alpha 1 plus a2 alpha 2 plus 1 plus an alpha n for a1 a2 and so on, an belongs to capital F is unique. That representation is unique. Okay, this is the theorem. Okay students, next comes to a problem. Show that the set 1 0 0 1 comma 1 comma 0 1 comma 1 comma 1 is a basis of C cube of C. Hence find the coordinates of the vector 3 plus 4i comma 6i comma 3 plus 7i in C cube of C. So, there are two parts in the problem. So, first of all we have to show this set containing three vectors. What are they? 1 0 0, 1 1 0 and 1 1 1 is a basis of C cube of C. First of all we are going to prove this set is a basis. Okay. Consider a vector space. First of all solution, consider a vector space C cube of C. Okay. Let capital S equal to, suppose let it the given set is a capital S 1 0 0, 1 comma 1 comma 0, 1 comma 1 comma 1. Let capital S equal to. Now we are going to prove. Now we prove, or now we show capital S is a basis. Capital S is a basis of C cube of C. So basis means first condition is linearly independent, second condition is linear span. That is S spans V. Okay. So for that, first condition is capital S is Li. Okay. We proved a set of vectors as Li is by directly the definition of Li, or another way, that another way is we already show, we already have the determinant of the matrix is non-zero, then the set is Li. If the determinant is 0, then the set is LD. Okay, na? Suppose here capital S is Li, we are going to prove. So for that, let capital A equal to, consider a 3 by 3 matrix in which the 3 rows are the 3 vectors. So the first row contains the first vector 1 0 0, and the second row contains second vector 1 1 0, and the last row containing the last vector 1 1 1. So now find out determinant of A. Find out determinant of A. So 1 into AD minus BC 1 minus 0 into something 0 into 0. So that equal to 1. Here not equal to 0. So here a determinant of A not equal to 0. Since det A not equal to 0, so the vectors included in the ST3 rows are the vectors of capital S. ఈ ఏ మ్యాట్రిక్స్లో మనకున్న మూడు వెక్టర్స్ కూడా, మూడు రోస్ కూడా ఈ మూడు వెక్టర్సే. వారితో ఫామ్ అయిన మ్యాట్రిక్స్ యొక్క డిటర్మినెంట్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 కాబట్టి ద సెట్ క్యాపిటల్ S is Li. S is Li. This is one application of linearly independence. Without proving, without completing the definition of it, and without applying the definition of linearly independence, it is the another way to show a set is a linearly independent. డెఫినేషన్ ప్రకారం కాకుండా మనకి ఎస్ అనే సెట్ని లీనియర్లీ ఇండిపెండెంట్ చెప్పాలంటే ఇది ఒక విధానం. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ వన్ అప్లికేషన్. ఓకే. సో క్యాపిటల్ S ఈజ్ Li. సెకండ్ కండిషన్ ఈజ్ L of S equal to C cube. L of S equal to C cube of C. C cube of C. That means every vector of C cube is a linear combination of vectors of these three vectors. That is what we are going to prove. For that, let small a comma b comma c belongs to C cube of C. A comma b comma c totally R triple belongs to C cube of C. Here a, b, c are the complex numbers. Field of scalars is here C, where small a comma b comma c belongs to C. Belongs to C. Okay. Let a comma b comma c belongs to C cube. Now we are going to write, we are going to prove this ABC in C cube is a linear combination of the vectors 1 0 0, 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. So suppose there exist scalars p comma q comma r such that r triple a comma b comma c equal to p into 1 0 0 plus q into 1 1 0 plus small r into 1 1 1. Okay. Here we represent an order triple in C cube as a linear combination of these three vectors. If we find the values of p, q, r, then it is completion of the answer. Okay. So first of all we write ABC as a linear combination of these three vectors, vectors of capital S. Now when the answer is completed, if we find the values of the p, q, r, p, q, r values కనుక్కోవడం మనం చేయాల్సిన ఆన్సర్. ఓకేనా. ఇఫ్ వీ ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూస్ ఆఫ్ p, q, r, then L of S equal to C cube of C. Okay. Now expand it, p into 1 p plus q into 1 q plus r into 1 r. Component wise addition, p into 0 0 plus q into 1 q plus r into 1 r. Next p into 0 0 plus q into 0 0 plus r into 1 r, which is equal to odd triple a comma b comma c. So here two odd triples are equal, corresponding elements are equal. Therefore p plus q plus r equal to a. Therefore p plus q plus r equal to a. Next q plus r equal to b. Next r equal to c. R equal to c. So we directly find the r value c. Next we are going to find the values of p and q. From the second one we have q equal to b minus r, b minus small r, that equal to b minus, here small r means c. So q equal to b minus, we have r equal to c, or directly we have. Next we have to find the value of p. From this p equal to a minus q minus r, that equal to a. Here q means b minus c, minus q means minus b plus c, minus r means c. So that equal to c c get cancelled, p equal to a minus b, p equal to a minus b. So we represent ABC R triple in C cube of C is a linear combination of the three vectors, and hence we find the values of p, q, r. So in this linear combination the scalars p, q, r are existed. Okay. Therefore we have a comma b comma c equal to, here p means a minus b into 1 0 0 plus q means b minus c into 1 comma 1 comma 0 plus r means c into 1 comma 1 comma 1. So we have c cube, some vector in some vector ABC in C cube, and we represent here this R triple as a linear combination of these three vectors. We already write down the linear combination. When the problem is completed, if we find the values of PQR from this linear combination, మొట్టమొదటిలోనే మనం లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్గా ఈ మూడు వెక్టర్స్గా దీన్ని రాసేసాం. అయితే ఎప్పుడు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది, ఈ లీనియర్ కాంబినేషన్లో ఉన్న ఈ పీక్యూఆర్ వాటిని కనుక్కుంటే ఆన్సర్ అయిపోయినట్లే. ఓకే. Okay, so here in this total linear combination, P, Q, R are called the coordinates. P, Q, R are called coordinates. Okay, in similar manner, every vector in C cube is a linear combination of vectors of capital S. Therefore, every vector in C cube of C is a linear combination of vectors of capital S. Vectors of capital S, here S is the, okay. Therefore the second condition L of S equal to C cube of C is satisfied. Okay, we already proved S is Li, and now we proved L of S equal to C cube. From these two the set capital S is a basis. Therefore the set capital S equal to set 1 0 0 1 comma 1 comma 0 1 comma 1 comma 1 is a basis, is a basis of C cube of C. Okay, on continuing the problem we have, hence find the coordinates of the vector 3 plus 4i 6i 3 plus 7i. Okay, ఇక్కడ ABC తీసుకుంటే ఈ total linear combination లో, here in this linear combination P, Q, R are called the coordinates. Okay, now ఒకవేళ ఈ 3 plus 4i 6i 3 plus 7i వీటి కోఆర్డినేట్స్ అంటే కూడా కనుగొంటున్నారు. Okay, therefore now also the coordinates of small a comma b comma c equal to, here a means 3 plus 4i comma b means 6i, c means 3 plus 7i. Instead of a b c we are taking 3 plus 4i 6i 3 plus 7i. Now we are going to find the coordinates of the vector. What are the coordinates? P, Q, R. Okay, the coordinates of ABC equal 3 plus 4i 6i 3 plus 7i are, first of all, P equal to, here what is the P value? A minus B. So that equal to, here A means 3 plus 4i minus B means 6i. So that equal to 3 minus 2i. Next coordinate Q equal to, In this linear combination, p, q, r are called the coordinates. In this problem, they are asking the coordinates only. That means the values of p, q, r. Instead of a, b, c, we have considered the vector 3 plus 4i, 6i, 3 plus 7i. Okay. Next, q equal to, what is q? B minus c. So that equal to, here b means 6i minus c means 3 plus 7i, minus c means minus 3 minus 7i. So that equal to, this is minus 3 minus I. Okay, and the last one, small r equal to c, r equal to c. So that equal to, here c means 3 plus 7i, 3 plus 7i. These are the coordinates of the vector 3 plus 4i, 6i and 3 plus 7i. It is end of the problem.